Hi everyone, this is a video about this Scholl Velvet Smooth electronic nail care system, which is being sold right now at Robert Dyas for a fantastic £5 per unit. This normally on eBay goes for from £7 up to £16, and it was such a good deal that I was passing by Robert Dyas and I saw this. I couldn't control myself. I just bought this for the purpose of this video, to tell you guys, if you want something like this, you can go and get it from Robert Dyas for £5. I get everything out and then we talk more. But before that is just the oscillating unit with a battery inside and 3 pads. These 3 pads by itself, if you want to buy it from eBay, it goes from £1.50 up to £5 or £6, only these 3, and the whole unit on eBay, as I mentioned, is £6 to £16. And I don't know about the £6 unit, maybe they are copied or they are somehow a clone of this, but this is, we are sure that is sure, because Robert Dyas was selling it. Anyway, I get everything out, we talk more. This is all that it was in the box. It's just the unit, and the way to put battery in there is just there, turning it anti-clockwise, and there is only a battery in there as well. So you get this out and then close the top, and it has 2 speeds, 1 and 2, and then all of these, I checked that there are only these 3 heads that you can get, and these 3 heads, one of them is for, let me put everything in there, one of them is for filing, the other one is a little bit smoother, is for buffing, and the last one is for polishing. Very simple, very useful. Instead of using those nail files and moving your hands many times left and right, but with this one you are just putting the tip over, clicks, and then you have 2 speeds, and the speed is just, this is the polishing one, and the second speed is a little bit, you can apply a little bit more pressure, and it's not bad. As you see, there are a little bit of shine there. By all means, I recommend this unit just only because of the price, and it's really handy unit if you want to save the hassle of filing and going left to right, and then especially when you are using your left hand, when you want to go left to right in order to polish this becomes handy. Because when I am using my hand, my right hand, I always move my right hand, and if I want to do it with my left hand, I always use my right hand to go left to right. But this one is helping you to avoid doing that. And for the price, £5 from Robert Dyas, is really good deal. By all means, go and get one of these as soon as you can, because I don't think they are gonna last long. Only for £5 with 3 heads and a battery inside. Anyhow, this was a short video about this Scholl Velvet Smooth electronic nail care system. Very good, very recommendable item, simply first because of the price, and second because of the usefulness of this. You can even, adapt the pads if you want. Anyhow, until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time.